guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm with Bashir. We're making our way to the yard. We're gonna go see if we can get something exciting there for you guys. What things are you? So guys, just bear with us. It is a bit dark in here. So we are back from the yard's house. We went to go collect a box. So Basil actually took the box inside. So let's basically see what the box has inside. Let's go do an unboxing. So there we go, that is basically the unboxing video. So definitely a new build coming to the channel. So stay tuned guys, hit the notification to be made aware of new uploads. Also subscribe to the channel so you guys can follow the builds. Guys, stay safe, look after yourselves.